Hi. Quack quack.
Where's your mother?
I think she is a mother. That's a girl duck.
Yes, it is. What's up? You didn't even flinch.
She's like, what you got for me today, peeps?
Matt? Yeah. We don't really need this map. We need this map? Mom.
No.
That's feed it to her.
But I don't think you should feed it to her either. She's a duck. She doesn't
Let's
eat.
go.
What does she eat?
What's it say?
Hell yeah. Me Thursday can't
What does she eat?
She
I
eats
posted it. People,
ducky stuff.
He was writing that this place is closed till
What's the
Thursday.
duck stuff?
So I wrote, I'll see
They
you
eat
on
bugs
Thursday.
and worms and grubs.
It's time
bread.
for A&E to start filming Jersey egg with all the comments I get.
What?
We just killed a bug. Fly.
Oh, yeah, we got the bugs on the face.
I was gonna say, you got a bug on your face, little girl.
Sideways look.
Boom.
I got any snacks? I got anything I can throw down?
Wow.
I don't think so.
Whoa!
Holy cow!
And we'll see you, Mama.
Woo!